Oh, what's this do?
Here, is my microphone?
Hold on, wait a minute.
Yeah,
I'm actually looking at getting a like an M4.
just shot.
I'm gonna say, I put this in
I
here.
put the
Yo, what? Go!
Okay. What kind of engine?
What the hell?
Oh, where are you going?
A black truck.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, contact forward.
Contact. No, we haven't made it spawn yet. We got lost. We got lost.
Oh.
Shit, we're sorry.
You guys are completely wrong direction. You got
Guys are going to Narnia. Yeah, that way, right?
back.
Wrong way, dude.
Yeah, back straight. Yeah, straight the way you're going. Like, wow, how did you not coordinate with your team? I take up a position here among the rubber tires. I remember them being a great defensive position earlier in the day. And now that we're trying to get line of sight on the enemies, we're now assaulting the black truck location. I figured this was a good jumping off point. Okay. Like when me and my buddy Hunter were here before, you can only really engage them once they cross the tree line into this direction.
Yeah, this. Oh, I see one line.
I see him. Hey, are you out? Yeah, so I guess the target was like right this way.
Yeah, there's the guy with the pin gun.
The guy dude holding point.
Yeah. So if we go back to where you came from, we. Oh yeah, he's in that structure there. Yeah, if we go back to where you came from, like where the tires are, that might be a good place. Yeah, you're getting dinked.
They're moving up. Yeah, I see him.
Oh yeah, a pink gun. Directly there.
Yeah.
You're just hitting brush. Hey, get behind those tires. You want to call that? I saw you flinch. Thank you.
Hey, dude, just fall back. Fall back. We're right on top of their spawn.
Okay.
Take the dollhouse. You hit him?
Eventually. No. I know it's long range, but like I can see them hitting you. And he went like this. He went like.
Yeah, I don't like this.
Hit! He's hit, he's hit.
I first wanted to fall back. So they're going to keep hitting us. I say we hit their spawn.
Yeah. We give up our positions and they just took it immediately.
I'm a dirty motherfucker.
Plus, that's our spawn right there, and he came within 80 feet of it.
20.
Yeah.
Why you bully me?
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Maybe I just saw your left arm toward me this way. Sorry. Yeah, and there was like 4 of them over there too, so.
Yeah, I went for a flank. I got hit. I didn't see them when I went on boat trail.
Hey, behind us, behind us, behind us. Behind, no. To my 6, to my 6, to my 6. To my 6.
Bro, I was about to shoot you and you were like this.
I waved at you.
You took your hand off like you were leaving.
No, I waved at you. We were both walking down this way.
Is the game over? Like, other than you, we haven't.
I thought you guys were going back.
No, I mean, our spawn's there. We just came down this way, so I saw you. I was playing it cool. I'm like, hi. And then we wait. We just kept
I
walking.
was about to shoot you. I thought you were going back to the...
No, you're like the first 2 we've seen.
Yeah, they're...
For a hot engagement.
Our spawn's at the black truck right now. We're trying to get the dollhouse. And your guys' team's just sitting in the connexes. We can't do it. So this is the only route.
Tell us your information.
It's the only route we can take.
Yeah.
Fun.
Why aren't we playing in this area?
I don't know. Like we've seen like 4 or 5 dudes push this way.
And it's been me.
Yeah, and it's been the same like 4 or 5 dudes. Sniper, you, and like another dude.
Some other guy. This is our 3rd game in a row we're pushing.
That's true.
Not horrible.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go half spawn since
Yeah.
kind of misunderstanding.
That's fair.
Nice shot, whoever shot. You got me right here.
Oh, jeez.
I used him as a body shield.
Oh, that's what you were doing.
I was about to shoot you guys, and then you were just like,
I was right
like
here.
I thought you were going back to the fucking thing.
Sorry for the miscommunication. Ah! Good shot. I waited too long to spray my ambush. And who turns the corner? Pink Pilot Man, who spots me immediately and gets me out. Very nice, very sweet, very cliche.
Spawn in, come back through.
Oh.
No, you did, or you just...
No, oh no, I got killed again by someone else. Blue, blue. Blue, blue. I claim this light machine gun for blue.
Oh, it's them. We're out of juice.
Oh, I thought I got.
We were hosing you guys down.
Oh yeah. Well,
Yeah, we're trying to get off the field now.
oh, gotcha.
It was a whole coordinated effort. There was like 4 people pushing us up here.
Oh,
They're like, we're gonna get the gun around this trailhead and we're gonna work them down the trail.
nice. Yeah, I've just been hiding in the bushes for most of the game, trying to pick people off.
We're dead. He's not. Sorry.
Hey, how'd you get back? Ow! Oh, hit. Oh, oh, your spawn's right there. I forgot. Ah!
Oh, you walked right up.
Fuck.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
ready for HPA yet, because that's just a lot of maintenance and shit. I don't think I'm committed to
What
that.
the heck are you talking about? HPA, a lot of maintenance?
They're not.
No.
Replace the seals every now and again. Oil it, but like.
Not even oil it, just put a little bit of lube on it every now and then.
Bro,
Once a fucking year.
I don't do any of that.
Take it out every day.
I have been running my HPA LMG for probably 6 months now, and I have not touched it once.
What did he say?